Hi, South Florida. Good Monday morning. I'm morning meteorologist Julie Durda. Spring has sprung. We officially began spring while you were probably getting ready for work, maybe getting kids ready at 6:29. Now take a look at the forecast. Our in-house model does pull some cloud cover moving on shore later today with the possibility of an isolated sprinkle, but really the atmospheric moisture is limited thanks to high pressure and thanks to that weak front that cleared South Florida while you were sleeping as well. Temperatures will be in the mid-70s by this afternoon. It'll be a great day, well below average for this time of year. Believe it or not, our average high is 81 degrees, so we'll take that mid-70s. Sunrise at 7:26, sunset at 7:32. It'll be a nice evening as lows will drop back down to the 60s, possibly upper 50s tomorrow morning, and then we'll start that gradual warming trend as another front moves in, bringing us that chance of showers by Friday. Make it a great day.